sweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a wash day tutorial and I'll be taking you all through my full wash and deep conditioning routine. I'm starting off by wetting my hair and allowing the water to saturate my hair. I'll be using the ORS Creamy Aloe shampoo to cleanse my hair. Right now I'm applying more pumps of shampoo to my hair because guys, my hair was really dirty because I had crochet braids in for about 4 weeks. Now I'm massaging the shampoo into my scalp. Massaging the shampoo into my scalp with my palm helps me give my scalp a good scrub. Now I'm rinsing off the shampoo. I'm going in with more shampoo because I wasn't satisfied with the first wash. Using my scalp massager, I'll be massaging my scalp all over. Guys, this feels really good. It feels really good. The next step is to rinse off the shampoo. In this step, I'll be using my white tooth comb to detangle my hair before applying my deep conditioner. Using this clip, I'm going to put away the other twists so they don't get in my way while I work on this section. All the products used in this video will be listed in the description box. Right now, I'm applying the conditioner into that section of hair. I'll be going in with my detangling brush to detangle my hair. This also helps to work the conditioner into my hair strands. After that, I am twisting that section before moving on to another section. So guys, I'll be repeating the same process I did for the first twist for all the other twists I have. I'm using a shower cap to cover my hair. I also used a plastic bag to cover my hair. Guys, you don't need to do that if you don't want to. I was being a little extra. Then, in order to generate more heat, I tied my hair with a scarf. About 5 hours later, guys, it wasn't my intention to wait for that long, but NEPA took the light and the water stopped running. So I was waiting for them to bring back the light, but that never happened. So I had to scoop water from a bucket in order to rinse out the conditioner I had in my hair. Finally, I'm using a t-shirt to dry my hair, after which I will continue with my moisturizing routine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you all in my next video. Bye!